Welcome, and from me is an ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So I already have an SD card in the device, and basically what you need to do is go into the settings, that, and from here navigate to storage, which is right here, and you should see your SD card, which is right here, the SanDisk SD card. Tap on it, and from here you can tap on the three dots and then storage settings. And you have two options, eject and format. So I'm just going to tap on format. You get a little warning message that will remove basically all the data on it. Tap on format, and now you get a progress bar. Give it a moment, it will finish. And you can see that it's done. And basically now it's completely formatted. So that is how you would do it. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.